Welcome to 2 plus 0 Cooking, and we are making Tarragon Coleslaw today. If you've never made Tarragon Coleslaw before, then stick around. Hello, my name is Beef, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's make this Tarragon Coleslaw. If you're not familiar with Tarragon Coleslaw, it's known as KFC Coleslaw. And we're going to make that for you today. What you're going to need is a head of cabbage. I have some sesame oil, sugar, vinegar. I have tarragon. And then I have some olive oil. A jar that measures 3 cups. Along with that, you're going to need a carrot, and you're not going to need much, and that's where this Mirepoix bag comes in handy. What I'm going to do is chop up enough cabbage and the carrot to get the slaw started. So what I did was I put the cabbage and the carrots into this jar just to see how much volume we have to deal with. Filled it with water up to the top. And then I'm just going to pour out the water just to see how much dressing that I actually need to produce. It's probably about 1 cup, maybe a little bit more. I have tarragon here. I know they sell tarragon oil, but I just haven't been able to find it. What I did was I found the next best thing, which is tarragon. And I'm going to put about a level teaspoon, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil. And we are going to let that oil slowly heat up and start sweating the tarragon itself. And my dad loved KFC. Everybody loved KFC, but the only problem was that for my dad was that he didn't like their coleslaw. So fast forward a couple of years ago, I told him I was going to make KFC coleslaw. And he says, I don't like it. I don't like KFC coleslaw. And I go, why? Why don't you like it? And he goes, I don't know. And I go, I figured out the recipe to make KFC coleslaw. It's tarragon. And he goes, I don't like tarragon. I just don't like the flavor of tarragon. And for the longest time, I never recognized that that was what was making it taste the way it tasted. We're at like 183 degrees. It probably did sweat the tarragon oil out of there. We cut away, and then I tasted it, and the tarragon flavor, I guess it's because this is dried, it's not as pronounced as what I want. So I'm going to add some more tarragon. And again, I bought this tarragon at Food Max, and this is probably 3/4 of what was in the bag, and it was like $1.50. Yep, 200 degrees. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to go ahead and start working on the dressing. So we're going to start off our base with our salad with mayonnaise. That's big to go to. So I'm putting about 4 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons. And then we're going to add granulated sugar. So I had 3 tablespoons of vinegar and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'm going to take the tarragon and put it in there. Then, like always, you have to taste it. So here's the other spoon. That's good. Okay, I was going to add sesame seed oil. It doesn't need it. I'd just be screwing up. This is perfect. I was planning on letting this, sweat in the fridge because the vinegar will actually break down the carrot and the cabbage. And that's why KFC Coleslaw is a little bit watery. I'll go ahead and cover this. So guys, thank you for stopping by, for watching this. I'm going to go ahead and date it, refrigerate it. Oh my God, it's good. So adios amigos, have a good day. be safe, and see you later. Thank you so much for watching this video making Tarragon Coleslaw. If you like this video, then please like us below. There are also links on the screen for other 2+0 cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description. And also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching, looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Beef out. As always, just because I'm done cooking after this recipe doesn't mean our kitchen is closed. The following images are for a future meal for me and my +1. Enjoy.